Hello, my name is Michael Chave. I'm an AEC technical specialist here at ATG USA, and today we're going to be talking about tips and tricks on Bluebeam Review. Today we're going to be covering overlay pages. This is a feature in Bluebeam Review where we're allowed to overlay two different documents or a batch set of documents, allowing us to see the differences. So let's hop right into Bluebeam Review and show you how this will work. Now that we've opened up Bluebeam Review, I'm going to go to Document in the Menu tab. And from Documents, I'm going to go to Overlay. I'm going to select Overlay, and it's going to bring me to a window to open up the documents. Now, if I had a document opened to start with, it would have already placed it in the window below. Right now, I'm going to select my original PDF. I'm going to hit Open, and it's going to give us some layer assignment. From here, I can decide what the source document was, which we already selected, the pages, the layer, and maybe the layer name. It's also going to give us the option to select an appearance for this layer. I always suggest using the color that Bluebeam Review gives you. I'm going to hit OK. And then I can add my second document. This is my revised document. And I'm going to hit Open. Now from here, I have my layers again. I also have the appearance, which I always suggest using the review selection. Hit OK. And now let's say these documents weren't aligned. Maybe the viewports were off, or maybe it was a scanned document and they didn't align. You do have the option to align by points. Now this will give you 3 points to align from, and it'll allow you to align them that way. I currently know that these documents align, so I'm going to hit OK. Now once I hit OK, I can see two different colors happening here, my red and green. And where they do align, they are black, which allows me for easy access and visual notes on what's been changing. I can also go to my layer area up in my panel access. I can select the panel of layer. And from here, I can see it's given it two different layers. Again, the naming convention that we assigned to it. I can also turn on and off that layer. I can also decide if it's going to print or export. I'm going to close this layer panel and just scroll through my document to show some of the differences. Now again, overlay feature can be very helpful, allowing you to see the differences in your document. Thank you for joining me today on my tips and tricks on Bluebeam Review.